Hi everybody, my name is Charlie and today I will tell you how to add two variables. If you don't know how to make a Java project and a new class, you can refer to my last video. Now let's pick off where we left off. To make a variable, it can be an integer or a double. An integer is a whole number. For example, an integer can be 7, 2, or 52. A double is a number that can have a decimal. 5.2 or 2.4 are great examples of a double. To keep it simple, today I will write integers. To write it in Java, you need to write int and write your variable name. My two variables will be a and b. Int a will equal to 7 or 4 and int b will equal to 7. In both of these, we need to put a semicolon at the end. To print these variables, we need to write a print statement. If you don't know, to write a print statement in Java, we need to write system.out.print. Then, because these are variables, we don't have to write these variables in quotations. We can write A plus B. And we put our semicolon at the end. Now we can save our program and run it. Our answer will be 11 because 4 plus 7 is 11. Thank you for watching. See you next time.